Guess what time it is? It's pinch a penny meal. So, I don't have any potatoes right now. Not that I can't go out and buy them. I can buy them. I just don't have them here. So, I thought, what better time than to make a pinch a penny meal? Because this is going to be a pinch a penny meal. So, I got some steak. I know that steak is not a part of pinch a penny, okay? Because steak is usually expensive, but not this one. This steak was, actually, this was a top London broil steak for $6, okay? And I got it for, see that? $2.59. In actuality, it really wasn't that expensive. London broil is not that expensive. And we're cutting it very small into these little pieces. So, see that? So even if you got $3 worth, it's still gonna be good. This was pretty big. And actually, I could just save this other piece. But I'm not, we ain't gonna pinch that much penny, okay? This is a secret ingredient for us women, for our bodies. So we're gonna sprinkle it on this meat and pretend that it's not there. We're just gonna know that it's in there. No, it's fine, babe. Because it's gonna help us. It will help anybody's body. It's good for you. It's turmeric. Add some ginger. Of course we need some sofrito. Homemade sofrito. Come with me. butter or oil, same thing. This is made out of vegetable oil, so same thing, you know. And I'm gonna save this for like Tupperware. Why throw it out, right? When you can save it for something else. Yeah, recycle, recycle. Then we have this bag, which was $2. Stir fry vegetables, 3 packets of ramen. Can you record this?
Huh?
Record this while I'm cooking it. Don't hold on. Yeah, put it in here. You can see it. Okay, so we got this cooking right here like that, like so. And we got the 3 ramen in there. I don't want to cook them too much. I want them to be, I don't want them to be mushy. I want them to be like, you know. Babe, should I do 3 or 4?
4.
4? 4 is better? Okay. All right. Big Daddy said 4. What? Ramen. 4. I'm not doing the powder. I'm just using the noodles. Okay. We're gonna use... Okay, hold on, because I don't got enough hands for this. So basically, we are making beef teriyaki. How about that, baby? It's gonna be fancy, y'all. It's gonna be that pinch a penny fancy type. So, we have to, I'm gonna put you guys over here. We have to get, you're supposed to use brown sugar, but I never have brown sugar. So we're gonna use the rest of this because that's what I got. We need soy sauce. Where's my soy sauce? You're gonna get a cup. Take this. To get some ginger. Garlic powder. We're gonna mix it. We're gonna put some hot water in it. And some cornstarch to thicken it up. Actually, a little bit cornstarch. And I learned the hard way with cornstarch. I think you guys saw that video. No, I don't think you did see that video because that was a fail. Never put cornstarch in something hot. You always have to put it in something cold. Just a little bit of information. More garlic powder. Now, I shouldn't really be eating this because it has a lot of salt in it, but we're gonna eat it anyway. Okay, so there's the noodles. I need to add more water to them because they're being neglected. The noodles are being neglected, guys. It's a sad story. But I didn't want them soggy. So. we are going to turn the heat up and pour in the juice. I should have put some broccoli in here. Oh, there is broccoli in there. Laylo's gonna love this. Oh yeah, he's gonna just love it. And he loves his broccoli. I'm going to put a top on it so that all the juice is soaked into everything. Why?
I don't know what they're doing anymore with that thing.
Let me see what he does. Let's go see this lizard. Okay, listen. We put everything is cooking low and low. Okay, so we put Bolo upstairs because he was getting neglected down here because nobody trusts him to touch him, but Laylo does. But Laylo is getting extremely aggravated with Bolo because 1 minute Bolo's good and the next he's not. I guess Bolo is not good right now.
Nah, he's already really mad, so.
Watch this, guys. Here,
I'm gonna get the glove.
Hold this.
No.
Hold this for me.
He pounced on my hand. I've never seen him do it before. He did it. Don't do it. Don't do it, Mom.
Oh, see him?
He's gonna hiss. Watch this, guys. He's gonna try to eat my finger. You guys are gonna see it. Get ready. He'll do it.
Just try to touch him.
He's gonna do it. Just, alright. Man, let me make sure my finger's even further back.
Give him a green bean. Where's the green beans?
Just look at they're all dried up.
You gotta get more. He wants to eat. Give him a green bean.
He's scared of me.
Give him a green bean. You gotta feed him. You gotta feed him, remember?
I'm gonna feed him one of these dried up green beans?
No, go get the green beans. They're downstairs. Downstairs. They're downstairs on the table, on the counter. Hold this.
Mom, I'm gonna go get it. Unless you
Just hold this. I'll get it. Yeah.
No, Mom, I was gonna. She makes it seem like I'm a bad kid. Guys, I was gonna do it. I just like messing with her. So. What's up? Anyway, this thing's making me so mad. I don't know what to do anymore. It scared me for no reason.
Green beans. Fresh green beans.
Be careful.
You be careful.
He's hungry. We need to get him some crickets.
He's hungry.
When are we gonna get crickets from?
He eats green beans.
But Mom, he's gonna want to run around. That's how he gets his energy out. Not on our hands.
Look, I'm not afraid because I have nails on. Here, buddy. Are you watching? Okay. See? I'm scared. I'm scared.
Don't be.
Come on, eat, buddy.
What's this stupid cup was on here?
Move the cup.
Sorry I'm messy, guys.
Anybody want a bearded dragon?
The right answer is no for this one. But if
For all you bearded dragon lovers out there, because he is just not nice. And we did not torture him. I don't understand.
I want to be able to take him out and let him roam. Because I feel like if he's in my territory, he'll just like come next to me. Then he'll be in my space.
No he won't. He'll hide.
Yeah, but if he don't...
I'll take him out right now. I'll put him on your bed.
You won't be able to.
I will.
I'll do it.
I'll do it. Look. I'm done with him. See? Just when you think you got him. Just when you think you got him. You don't got him. You don't. You just don't. But I don't have no time to play. I'm making a pinch of penny meal here. Let me wash my hands. Bah humbug. Let's check the food. He makes me angry, that thing. That thing makes me angry. All right. Noodles are done. Yes. Yep. Yes, ma'am.
Are we leftovers?
No.
Oh, I saw this. I thought this was on. Oh, we're having this again?
Yep. Better eat this meat, though.
I know.
Oh! I almost spilled it. Bon appetit. Is it good?
Yeah.
Wow, it's good. I finally did something right. That's what it looks like, guys. Here, baby.
Thank you.
Laylo! All right, so that is the pinch a penny meal for the night. I know I have not done these in a while. See, Laylo does not like broccoli, so he's just gonna want the meat. And I'm giving him carrots. I don't care what he says. The boy needs some vegetables in his life. I don't care. And I'm trying to dig through. Hold this for me. I'm trying to dig through for you.
Why?
Because you don't like broccoli? Yeah. No.
Thanks, Mom.
But it'll be good.
Yeah.
But you like carrots.
Depends.
You'll like them.
Okay.
A lot
Thanks.
of meat there for
Thank you, Dumpling. You can say more meat for yourself.
No, I'm good. I'm gonna eat the rest of that.
Yeah, but you could take one of my pieces off. 2 pieces.
I don't need it. I got enough in here. Okay, little
I
bunny.
feel like I just...
Little buddy.
Okay.
Little buddy, little pound.
You take some of my noodles too. If you want.
I don't want your noodles. Mama don't need no noodles. Poodle. All right, guys. Bon appetit. If you try this, because you don't have mashed potatoes or you don't have rice or you don't feel like having rice, try ramen. You never know what you can make with some ramen. Girl. You gotta try things in order. Babe. How is it?
I like it. I swallow tiny bits every time.
What happened to your lip? You got cut?
Right here?
Yeah.
No, that's my dry lip.
All right, guys. So until the next video, we will catch you on the flip side.
Flip side.
Flip side. Flip side.